Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair. Today we are going to dive into the symptoms of a bad crankshaft position sensor and how it affects your vehicle's performance. If your car is acting up and you're not sure why, this tiny but crucial sensor might be the culprit. First, let's explain what does the crankshaft position sensor do. This sensor monitors the position and speed of the crankshaft and sends that data to the engine control unit. The ECU then uses this information to manage fuel injection, ignition timing, and other key engine functions. If this sensor fails, your car's performance will take a serious hit. The first symptoms is check engine light. A failing crankshaft sensor can trigger the check engine light. If you see this light, use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes, which specifically indicate crankshaft sensor problems. The second symptoms is engine fails to start. If your car won't start, it could be due to the ECM not receiving RPM or crankshaft position data. Without this information, the ECM cannot properly control spark timing or fuel injection, resulting in a no-start condition. The third symptoms is poor acceleration. When accelerating, your vehicle depends on real-time data from the crankshaft sensor to adjust spark timing and fuel delivery. A faulty sensor can cause hesitation during acceleration, jerky or sluggish response, sudden stalling while driving. The fourth symptoms is rough idle. If your car shakes, vibrates, or feels unstable while idling, it could be due to incorrect spark timing. A failing crankshaft sensor may cause engine misfires, leading to rough idle conditions. The fifth symptoms is poor gas mileage. A faulty crankshaft sensor can send inaccurate data to the ECM, leading to incorrect fuel injection timing. This results in poor fuel economy, meaning you'll be visiting the gas station more often. The sixth symptoms is engine stalling while driving. If your engine randomly stalls while driving, especially at low speeds or when coming to a stop, it could be due to the ECM losing track of the crankshaft's position. This can create dangerous situations, especially in traffic, and should be addressed immediately. A failing crankshaft position sensor can cause serious drivability issues, from poor fuel economy to dangerous engine stalling. If you notice any of these warning signs, addressing them early can save you from costly repairs down the road. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.